In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Task in Detail pane in Asana to view, edit, and manage tasks efficiently. To begin, log into your Asana account on your desktop and open a project that already has tasks. Any project will work for this walkthrough. Once you're looking at the task list, click a task to open its detail pane on the right side of your screen. This pane is your control center for everything related to that task, so you don't have to jump to a different page. At the top, you can edit the task name. Keep names short and action-oriented so they're easy to scan. Right below, add or change the assignee to make ownership crystal clear. Assigning a task signals who's responsible and helps keep work moving. Next, set or update the due date. Clear timelines make priorities obvious and help you plan your week. If your team uses custom fields, you can add or edit them here as well. Fields like priority, status, or hours spent create consistent structure across your project, and they make reporting much more useful. Choose values that match your team's guidelines so everyone interprets them the same way. Use the description area to write task details or notes. This is a great place for requirements, acceptance criteria, or quick context that prevents back and forth. You can also attach files or links directly to the task so teammates have the latest resources in one place, whether it's a document, a design, or a reference URL. When you need to coordinate, add comments in the pane to communicate with collaborators. Comments keep conversations tied to the work, and they're easy to review later alongside the activity and updates. The detail pane also lets you check task progress, dependencies, and subtasks without leaving the project view. That means you can see what needs to be finished first, how close you are to done, and what smaller pieces make up the task, all in context. When you're finished reviewing or making updates, close the pane by clicking the X at the top right. Then continue by selecting another task and repeating the same process. Working through tasks this way helps you manage the entire project efficiently, staying in one place while keeping details accurate and up to date. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.